Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an updo on curly hair. So updos are such a fun way to take your everyday look to the next level. I often use them in professional circumstances where I'm wanting to really look nice and look put together, but I don't want to put the time in to really do my hair. And you all know exactly what I'm talking about. So stay tuned, you're going to have so much fun. So first I'm going to section the front from the back on both sides. And then I'm going to gather the back up, twist it, and pin it. So I brought the hair from this side to this side. So I twisted it, and now I'm going to pin it. I took the hair from the left side over to the right side. And now I will just place a large bobby pin in to secure it, and then one on top to secure. Now you can let your hair just fall down there. So this is the point where you kind of let your curls do the talking. You will just kind of look around and see, like, don't like him, he's not doing pretty things for me today. So I'm gonna pin him down. Take sections from my front, bring it around to the back, and pin. You can twist it once or twice if you need to. And I'm just pinning this all over, kind of all around the base that we just created by twisting the back part. Kind of pull out your curls a little bit once you've secured them. And then do the same on both sides. Twist and pin. Up top, I'm just pulling these pieces straight back because they're so short. This will also help to give me volume. If you have some cute curls that you can leave out and kind of let them dangle, like if they're shorter, do that. It makes a really cute loose look. If you need to reinforce any of the bobby pins, make sure that you do that. You would not want this to fall out. So I've been using just regular bobby pins to pin all this up. If you have these little clips, they're just little claw clips. You can get them from Walmart or Target or any place like that. They're awesome. I like them because you can just pull a little bit of hair back with them and honestly hide them. Okay, so now I'm going to turn around, look at the back of my hair, and make sure I don't have any holes in it. So I just arranged to the back where I want it, and I'll show you that. And then after that step, all you have left is to fix the little messy pieces in the front. I'm going to use the Sage Stone set to help kind of add some interest and dimension and all that fun stuff to the front. So stay tuned for that gorgeousness. So I'll do 1 on this side and 3 on this side. And this is a beautiful set because there's 3 more subtle barrettes, and then there's 1, I would say, statement barrette. If you haven't checked out our shop, be sure to do so. We have so many products ranging from wedding accessories to everyday accessories, and I just know that you're gonna love so many of them.